Welcome to RightRope, home of the 20-pounder.
Hi, I'm Jess at RightRope.
And I'm Phil. Today, we're going to talk about some of our frequently asked questions about macrame cord. First of all, I want to show you the different kinds of macrame materials that we sell. We have a single twist cord, a triple twist cord, a 3-strand twisted cotton rope, and recently we've added some solid braid cotton rope. All of these products are 100% cotton and made in the USA. We'll go into a little bit more detail later in the video.
A question we get about our macrame cord is your cord true to size?
Let me show you a couple different size cords we sell using a digital caliper to measure the diameter.
Our most popular sizes are 4mm and 5mm.
If you wonder how our sizes compare to another vendor, the best way to determine this is to look at the number of feet per pound. A smaller cord will have more feet per pound, and a larger cord will have fewer feet per pound.
What is the difference between single twist and triple twist cord?
Triple twist cord is just like our single twist cord, except obviously it is 3 singles twisted together to make one cord. The triple twist is good for projects that need more texture, and it also holds together a little bit better than the single twist. It's also available in 2.5, 5, 10, and 20-pound tubes, just like our single twist, and it comes in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8mm diameters.
How do I understand the diameters of this 3-strand twisted rope?
The 3-strand twisted rope is sized in inches. We have recently added metric sizing as well to our 3-strand twisted ropes. Some of the smaller sizes are good for macrame projects, and some of the larger sizes are good for other craft projects and decorative uses.
While we're talking about the larger diameter ropes, another question we get is, do you sell larger diameter single twist cords like 9mm, 12mm, or even 25mm?
Here at RightRope, we are always innovating, and we are working on getting some of these larger sizes manufactured. Hopefully, we can offer these sizes on tubes pretty soon. For now, you can get some larger diameter single twist cords by taking apart a 3-strand twisted rope. For example, if I take apart this 3/4 inch twisted rope, I will end up with 3 single twist cords approximately 12mm in diameter. If I take apart this 1.5 inch cord, I will end up with 3 single twist cords about 25mm in diameter. The 3-strand twisted cotton rope is available by the foot on our website in any length you want.
Another product we want to take a look at is our solid braid cotton rope. This comes in sizes 1/8 up to 3/4 inch in diameter and is available by the foot. You can order in any length you need. Like our other cotton products, this is made in the USA from 100% USA grown cotton. This product is good for many applications, including crafting projects. Another question we've been getting is, do you ship internationally? And how much is shipping?
We do ship internationally. To get a shipping price, simply add the products you want to your cart and put in your country and postcode, and you will get a shipping quote. Generally, it's quite expensive to ship to other countries outside of the US. Canada seems to be pretty reasonable, and we have had quite a few Canadian customers. If you're in a country outside of the United States and you're interested in being a distributor of our cord, reach out to us.
Check out our other videos to see pictures of some of our customers' macrame designs, as well as video reviews. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for videos every week about all things rope and cord. Check out our Instagram and Facebook pages as well. The links are in the description below.
We want to get you the right rope at the right price.